Your 20s are exciting, but they're also when many people make money mistakes that follow them for years. Let's look at the 10 biggest ones and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Spending more than you earn. Buying things to feel successful can quickly leave you living paycheck to paycheck. Without a budget, money disappears faster than you think. Even small daily purchases can quietly drain your bank account. Social media makes everyone else's life look perfect. Comparing yourself to others often leads to unnecessary spending. A fancy car or expensive gadgets might impress people for a moment, but the monthly payments can create years of financial stress. Ignoring bills or avoiding your finances doesn't make the problem disappear. It usually makes things much worse over time. Many people forget to build an emergency fund. Even saving a little every month can protect you from unexpected expenses. Credit cards are useful tools, but only if you pay them off in full. Otherwise, interest keeps growing while your money disappears. Debt creates stress that affects more than your wallet. It can also hurt your confidence and limit your future choices. The good news is that small financial habits make a huge difference. Saving and investing early gives your money more time to grow. Mistake number 6. Never learning about money. Schools teach many subjects, but personal finance is often left for you to figure out on your own. Spend time learning about budgeting, saving, investing, and debt. The knowledge you gain today can save you thousands in the future. Mistake number 7. Relying on only one source of income. If that paycheck disappears, your financial stability can disappear with it. Look for ways to build extra income. Freelancing, a small business, or investing can help create more financial security. Mistake number 8. Thinking you have plenty of time. Many people keep saying, "I'll start next year." The truth is, time moves faster than you expect. Every year you wait is one less year your money has to grow. Mistake number 9. Waiting too long to invest. You don't need a fortune to begin. Consistency matters more than the amount. Mistake number 10. Having no financial plan. Saving, investing, and preparing for emergencies work best when they become simple habits. Your 20s aren't about being perfect. They're about building habits that your future self will thank you for. Avoid these 10 money mistakes, and you'll be far ahead of most people your age. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more life-changing lessons, and start making smarter money decisions today.